What is a skin tag and what is a wart? It's a growth on the skin that looks like a pink, purple or brown lesions. It might change in color, but it's a benign tumor. That means it does not turn into a malignant tumor. It just kind of stays a certain size. Stay tuned, as today we'll be talking about the most common presentations of both men and women with genital warts. I'll be telling you the symptoms of genital warts, few important tips on how to treat and manage them effectively. Hello, my name is Harrison Chibuka. I'm a Nigerian pharmacist. And if this is your first time here, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. Genital warts are sexually transmitted infections caused by the virus human papilloma virus (HPV). This infection spread through direct skin-to-skin contact or even with protection in rare cases, depending on the strength of your immunity and the strain of HPV involved. What grows in various private parts of the body. They are more common in women, especially pregnant women, those with polycystic ovary syndrome, those that are overweight. Common is the presence of excess estrogen. It's also associated with insulin resistance, which is diabetes, due to the fact that these people have excessive insulin in their system. HPV is a strain of 230 virus. About 95% of the population has HPV. That is, you are most likely to have HPV, but some create more problem than the other. This causes 99% of the time what we call cervical cancer. This affects the natural killer cells and weakens your defense against viruses. Other things that can weaken the natural killer cells include stress, trauma, loss of loved one, grief, nutrient deficiencies, injuries, surgery, and aging. Although 95% of the population has HPV, then why doesn't everybody get skin tags or genital warts? It's highly dependent on the factors I mentioned earlier. What will you see to confirm you have a genital wart? It presents as thick color, brown or pink lesions in the genital area, especially in areas with high friction and skin fold. Appearance may resemble that of a cauliflower. Lumps may be itchy or cause discomfort. So should I get tested? If you are experiencing any of these symptoms, or you may have been exposed with someone with genital warts, then you should get examined. What treatment options are available to treat genital warts? Depending on the severity, the recommended treatments are topical medications like podophylotoxins and imiquimod. These are to be taken with some supplements like vitamin E, zinc to help boost the body immune system to fight off the infection adequately. Some lifestyle modification like quitting smoking, getting a good amount of rest can also be helpful in the treatment process. Other methods for removal of warts include cryotherapy or some other surgical options like laser treatment and surgical excisions. Unfortunately, there are no easy removals for genital warts and lesions may likely return. In some cases, it may take weeks to months for treatment to become effective. Over time, the body can fight off the virus if the body immune system is strong enough and capable of defending itself. You can improve response to treatment by quitting smoking. It's also important to note that 1/3 of visible genital warts disappear within a month. If you have been diagnosed with warts, you should abstain from sex until you've completely treated to risk passing on the infection, because this infection can be passed on even if there are no visible warts. Once treated, you can still be infected, so it's important that you and your partner get examined and treated properly. How to prevent genital warts in the future? Use condoms. Although it cannot be completely prevented if your partner already have visible warts, HPV vaccines can provide protection against genital warts and cervical cancer in women. For skin tags, a natural home remedy according to research advises the use of 1 drop of povidone iodine, 1 drop of smashed garlic, bandage in a cotton bud. Do this every day until it is completely cleared. At the end of the day, what is required to actually fight off the infection is a strong and healthy immune system. So if your immune system is in good shape to help you fight off the infection, it wouldn't take as long as it should. If you found this video helpful, do well to like and subscribe to this channel. This video is for informational purposes only. See a professional if you have symptoms of genital warts for proper diagnosis, treatment and management. And don't ignore advice due to some things you have had here. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.